Hello guys, and again welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install CodeIgniter architecture framework on your um, PHP web server or your project directory. Okay. Installation of CodeIgniter is as simple as copy and pasting. You don't have to configure anything, or you don't have to write a block of code just to make it work. Okay. All you have to do is to download it from the source, and then you have to extract the downloaded one, and then you have to copy and paste the entire content of that extracted folder to your project directory, and then after that you can start coding your project. Okay, so let's start. I am going to show you step by step installation of CodeIgniter from downloading to your the copy and pasting to your project directory. Okay, if you haven't downloaded a copy of the CodeIgniter architecture framework, and then you can download that one on um, CodeIgniter website. Okay, or you can go directly to Google, and then you only have to search for CodeIgniter. Okay, and then Google will going to give you the CodeIgniter website, and then there you can click that link, and then it will be that link will be um, it will link you here, and then after that you have to click download. Okay, so you can download either of the two. Okay, CodeIgniter 2 or the CodeIgniter 3. Okay. In my case, I have already downloaded mine, so let's go here, um, installer, and then CodeIgniter 3. Okay, I have already extracted this one, so all I have to do is to copy and paste this one, this folder, or this content, copy, and next steps is we're going to go to our PHP web server. Okay, in my case I have amps. Okay, but if you have WAMP, SAMP, or other PHP web server, and then it's okay. Okay, you only have to locate for the project directory or the root folder of that web server. Okay, in my case I have here my root folder is www, and here if you haven't created yet your project directory, and then you have to create one. Okay, so let's create one. So um let's name it code igniter underscore installation. So that's it. So code igniter installation, this one. So copy. We have already copied that one, so we're now going to paste this one. So now we are ready. Okay, so for us to know if this installation is running, and then we need to browse our project. Okay, so if this message appear, it does only mean that your web server is not running, so therefore you have to turn it on. So in my case I have to turn on my amps. Okay, and let's refresh. Okay, there it goes. So our project directory is CodeIgniter installation, this one. So open, and here it goes. Okay, welcome to CodeIgniter. So it is already running. Our installation is already running. Okay, so that's it for this video, and thank you for watching and enjoy learning, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.